Hey, what's up? Renegade Man here. I just got some of the last of these in for the moment. The AC6000s. These things are pretty awesome. So both of these, you can run these as a nice consist. Let's see, I think I have 2 UPs. I have some of the Pacifics, but those are for me, unless you want to pay, but we'll have to talk about that. And a few other randoms. GE, this one's pretty sweet. I did like this one. This was the Roy Hill. And these are all straight from Broadway. Green, what is this one? Demo, the GE Demo. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna get a few of these on the track running eventually. And then I also have 2 UPs. Don't know if you noticed that, but a UP and UP, different roads, pretty cool. So, little piece of heaven, huh? Let's see what these do.